Hey, we're Mads and Dan, and we're travelling around Australia in our self-converted van, Rio.
We visited Coober Pedy, the opal capital of the world, where half the population live underground to escape the Outback's extreme climate. We also explored the incredible landscapes of the Kanku-Breakaways. We would like to acknowledge the Anti-Karinja people, the traditional owners of this land. We pay our respects to their elders past and present and extend that respect to other Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander cultures.
Winter in the Outback, Australians wear shorts and Birkenstocks, but are absolutely freezing.
So we got to Coober Pedy today, and we've had a pretty slow day. Explored the town, went out for lunch, to a sunset spot, which is just up this big hill at the Big Winch or something. So yeah, keen to check it out.
It's up here,
hopefully. Up this big hill. You can see the. They say you can see the breakaways from there. So we're heading to the breakaways tomorrow, but maybe we can get a sneak preview tonight. Somehow we're in one of the driest towns in Australia, and it's raining.
It's not actually raining. It's drizzling.
Found some grass.
Found some grass in the desert. We just went to the Big Winch 360 bar and it's so nice. And it's so cheap. Yeah, Seppelfield's gin, for Cheryl's gin. And like we got a gin and a beer for $13. That's just for winning.
So we're walking back now to
yeah,
the
it's
campsite.
A short walk to the campsite. We could see Rio and he's still there. So, and yeah, it's very nice.
Welcome to another installment of Dan Gets Out and Embraces the Cold to Make Coffee, whilst Mads lies very comfortably in bed.
Is already sore from bending over.
All 6'4" of me is not really made for the mining life.
No, we're not going to be made millionaires, are we? Searching for opal.
the Breakaways. It's just out of Coober Pedy, so it's pretty cool. There's lots of really nice, I guess, rock formations here, mountains, which are super colourful.
Park, and we've kind of driven around the whole thing, and it is stunning, and it's honestly one of our most beautiful places we've ever been. It feels like a completely other planet, but it's kind of late now, but we had a big breakfast, so we're going to make some lunch in a bit, and then we'll probably just chill in this spot until sunset, because this is meant to be a really good sunset spot, and we've got a nice view from here, probably the best view we've ever had at our Rio. Gracias.
I hope you enjoy that.
How good's the sunset?
This is a spectacular sunset, one of the best.
Yeah.
Worth waiting for.
Yeah. Coober Pedy, which I'm pretty sure we've been saying. We're trying to get to the border today, but we're about 2 hours from the border.
Something like that.
Yeah, and hopefully it's still open when we get there. We're not in signal, so but it should be. I think it'll be fine. Yeah, yesterday we had such a nice day exploring the Breakaways. It's honestly I think one of the best national parks we've ever been to. It's only $11 per vehicle to get the permit, and it's just 100% worth it if you're in Coober Pedy. But we watched the sunset there, then we went for another drink at the Big Winch just because it's so lovely there, and then had a cheese board and watched some Netflix. So it was a really, really nice day. We're really excited to hopefully get near to Uluru today, and then we can then we'll be able to reach actual Uluru tomorrow, which will be so cool. We've got our passes for tomorrow, so yeah, looking forward to it, aren't we?